To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Polaris Pro-RMK with a 3-inch track, follow these steps. Park the sled on a flat, level surface. Remove both side panels by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panels out and lift up to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Lift the hood up slightly to gain access to the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector and remove the hood from the sled. If needed, the intake can be removed to gain additional clearance. Next, remove both spark plug leads. Then clean the area around the spark plug to prevent debris from falling into the engine. Next, remove the spark plug wrench from the spark plug holder. Then loosen the 2 spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. Also inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended spark plugs. Install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Reinstall the spark plug leads and ensure they are secure. Also, reinstall the spark plug wrench in its holder. Reinstall the intake if previously removed. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Then reinstall both side panels by aligning the tabs at the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and the 2 quarter-turn latches. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.